And welcome back again to Pillar Points. I'm Will Castle. This is Kathy Lawler.
Hello, everyone.
So we're going to continue the journey down the CMPS credit knowledge, going down that path. The fourth is going to be the mix of credit. If I understood you last time, it's basically the mix between credit cards, installment loans, mortgages, just that overall mix, that well balanced. Tell me a little bit more about it and what it means on that front.
On that scoring model, again, talking that 350 to 850 credit score range, we talked about the percentages of 35% coming from how you pay your credit on time, an additional 30% coming from the amount of indebtedness that you're carrying, and of course 15% coming from the length that you've been in the credit. How long does your bureau go back? Now we're going to talk about today the additional 10% that comes from credit mix. Oftentimes the ideal situation is perhaps we have a mortgage, an auto loan, maybe 3 to 5 credit cards is what the scoring model likes to see. Not necessarily that they all have a balance, but that they're open. And this credit mix of installment and revolving debt lays out a platform to enable the highest credit score. Oftentimes we see younger homeowners, or potential homeowners rather, that have one auto loan, maybe 2 student loans, and a credit card, and that's considered a good mix. But definitely having a mortgage loan on your credit is going to increase your credit scores. And when we see somebody with limited credit, they may have a higher score per se, but they might not have scores with all 3 bureaus. And on the flip side, with private mortgage insurance or other lending overlays, limited credit can pose a troublesome factor and might even lead to a higher interest rate. So a good credit mix up front is a great foundation to a higher credit score.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
That's well put. I mean, really not much more to add other than great way to explain it and the overall mix. So next time we're going to talk about the final and fifth element. So we'll talk to you the next time.
Thanks, everyone.